way back in 2002. And we got a place, they came to us on the other side of the island, the other side of the town area. And we have to move up because it's a good reason. When our people, they need, our government, they need something to do it, we all agree. And 14 years I've been trying to find another place where all the street kids and street vendors, we can all get together in one place, so you don't have to call us, we are street kids. And tonight, like I said, Your Honorable Prime Minister, I can't thank a lot enough to say what you've done for us and what you've done for all these kids. I always give a big hand, please. The only thing I can always remember, in the way back in the old Laumei Fayanga, my brother, Nanai Lavetinga to Litfunga. When we closed down, he came up and asked me, put me on the TV, and he asked me, okay, Leota, Lennon, now what's happened now to the Laumei Fayanga? I said, Nanai, the Laumei went back to the ocean. Now the Laumei went back to the ocean. It's gone. After 14 years, now for everybody tonight, the turtle is coming back. And now our special, this is a special number for you guys tonight to welcome the turtle back to the ocean. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Allow me for ya. Turtle, take it easy, slowly and sure. Come here.
Ia whaafitai lava I le whawhonga o le fiafi, ia po le sunga fo I le whailotu. Ua amata mea ai le tātou whaamoemoe o le afiafi. Nei tūlā e whaatalofa mwhapai atu le nganga whaaloalo, Samoa I au tūlanga whaalupe. Ia ai mai se foi le mamalu o le au walaulia ma tātou uma o whaatasi mai. I le nei afiafi e moli mawina, le taualunga o le tauvanga ai la wafi o lua afe lua sifuru maritolu. Ia talofa and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be invited to address you all tonight at the finale of the International SIVA competition of 2023. This competition is a platform to showcase and promote Samoan culture on the global front. The celebration of 21 years of the International SIVA competition speaks volume of the passion and commitment to develop and sustain the traditional performing art. Many things attest to the success of this competition. Fire knife dancing is unique to Samoa and is a traditional performing art rooted in the Samoan culture. SIVA through competitions such as these promote the skills and know-how of this performing art. It is also an iconic performing art that is unique to Samoa and plays as a drawing card to tourists and visitors that wish to experience Samoa and its culture. The SIVA competition promotes further youth opportunities and provides a pathway for exposure through fire knife competitions and shows around the world. Some have secured employment as professional fire knife entertainers in countries such as Japan, Hong Kong, China, the United States, and of course, especially Hawaii. A testament is the reigning Pacific Cultural Center champion, Falaniko Solomona, is a former international SIVA competition champion and offspring of the Ailau Club. I am pleased to welcome to Samoa Ms. Delsa Moy, Vice President of Cultural Presentations at the Polynesian Cultural Center, Hawaii, along with David Ngaleai, a 3 times world champion fire dancer, as one of the competition judges. The SIVA competition is one of the key attractions for tourists, and the government, through the Samoa Tourism Authority, has supported various local programs to help sustain business, promote products and services and cultural initiatives and activities for incoming visitors and the local population. The International SIVA competition is one of the major events in this space. In previous years, the SIVA competition in supporting our communities have taken the competition to the big island of Savai'i. I wish to congratulate Leota and Claire Leota and SIVA for their tireless efforts, and I wish all the competitors the very best tonight, with well wishes for an even bigger event in the coming year. The finale for the 21st International SIVA Competition 2023 is now officially opened. Soifua, mai manuia.
Ese pati mai, tungaya, sako pupuri.
to know what I feel in my own love in the way you people who say ilunga ite mo ilong fala be manu ite mo ema fana fana people fear only name and lang ite yama wai ite mana tulo ite no umoni say ilunga ite toy for imai in the land in the for me to find no topi when Samoa my
We're chanting.
Rain and shine, our warriors still perseveres.
Pati mai mo risuma ya fara nipo solo mona. Mai pui pa. SIVA, 100% Samoa.
Definitely the hottest show in town.
Result for tonight, I would like to invite and call upon our Honorable Prime Minister to present our prizes for tonight, and also the winner for the 21st International SIVA AFI competition.
As prestigious as it is to win the title tonight, I'm sure from their Prime Minister. Our first female Prime Minister in Samoa, and definitely not the last. All right, we will be giving 3 places tonight. Winning $3,000, our second runner-up or third place is from Siumu, and now winning a cash prize of 5,000 tala, first runner-up or second place from Tufui Opa, and winning 10,000 tala tonight, and who will forever hold the title of champion for the 21st annual SIVA International Competition is Jacko!
We'll get
our 3 champions together. Sportsmanship, congratulate each other. And then we have more fun for you. We now are going to turn the time over to Lene to introduce the rest of our show for this evening.
Every Samoan performance always end out we call Taualuma. We got a very special guest tonight for our Taualuma. Actually, he's a daughter of our Minister of MNRE, and it's a story behind it. Way back before he ever becomes a minister or MP, he used to come and sit down at Matautu and look like a humble man while his kids is learning how to do the fire dance. Please put your hand together for Fiona Taususu. Now, they always do it. And this year, his daughter, they used to come when their brother was doing the fire, and they all come and join the Islau Club to be members of. She just turned 21. And Andrew, she's come to do the Taualuma on behalf of all the Islau Club, and I'd like all you guys to come and welcome and enjoy the evening. Thank you very much. Like I said, thank you for your support. This is a new home of the fire dance in Samoa. Hope you guys enjoy the evening. Thank you very much, and fa soifua. So yeah.
Come forward. We'll say, patchy, patchy, Malay. Now, rope off time.